How to make Louisiana Crawfish Étouffée. Ingredients: 3 cups long grain white rice, 6 cups water, 3/4 cup butter, 1 large onion, chopped, 1 clove garlic, chopped, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 pound crawfish tails, 2 tablespoons canned tomato sauce, 1 cup water, or as needed, 6 green onions, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 tablespoons Cajun seasoning, or to taste. Combine the rice and 6 cups water in a saucepan, and bring to a boil. Cover, and reduce heat to low. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, until rice is tender and water has been absorbed. While the rice is cooking, melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the onion, and sauté until transparent. Stir in the garlic, and cook for a minute. Stir in the flour until well blended. Gradually stir in the tomato sauce and remaining 1 cup water, then add the crawfish tails and bring to a simmer. Add the green onions and season with salt, pepper, and Cajun seasoning. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes over low heat, until the crawfish is cooked but not tough. Serve over hot cooked rice.